your girl Estä, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun. Y'all miss me? I know. Listen, this is not a video to play catch up because I know I am way behind and I am thinking that you guys are like, Susan left and didn't come back. Nah, it's not that. It's not that. I've been pretty busy. Okay, if you don't know, I am a loctician and I have all of my work on here. Go ahead and check them out. Listen, if you're a new subscriber, hello, welcome to my channel. And of course, my OGs, I always have to shout y'all out. Thank you so much. Listen, y'all keeping me on my toes. If you haven't already, you might as well go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button. And of course, you already know, click that bell notification to get alerts whenever I post a new video. You know, I say this in all the videos, but I feel like I get monkey on them. So yeah, go ahead. All right, so let me go ahead and get started with this video. I know y'all like, sis, what's tea? I am celebrating 2 years of being Microloc. Well, to be exact, 2 years and 15 days. My 2 years hit October 1st. So I started and established my locks October 1st, 2020. And we are in 2022 and baby, you see me, I'm thriving. It's the late for me. Bars. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and unravel this and so y'all can see what it looks like and give you guys a 360. But before we get started, y'all think y'all was gonna see me unravel this hair without giving you what's up and what's tea? Yeah, you gonna stay and watch through this video before I give you this 360 because I know y'all like to fast forward. Yeah, I've been watching you. They tell me. The people in the back did. The first thing that I want to talk about is my retightening schedule. Yes, I've celebrated this 2 years of being Microloc, but boy, for the past year, my retightening schedule has been trash. I had tried to keep up with it, but now that I have a large amount of clientele, I don't have time to do my hair at all. I don't have time to do my hair at all. And yes, I can also get somebody to do it, but the inner me can't do it. I really can't. I really can't. I don't know why. I'm scared because I feel like they're gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna make sure she become a bald-headed hoe. Like, y'all have a vendetta against me. I don't know what it is. I'm just going on a rant now. But yeah, my retightening schedule is really bad. Really, really bad. I had to also repair a few locks and combined a few since my last update, I can say. Yeah, I had to repair a few locks because I went past my retie. So that's one of the things that I can say that didn't really bother me, but it was like, okay, I need to get it together. Like, what's happening here? I need to get it together. So yeah, I had to combine a few in the front and on this side too. I will be coming out with a lock count again, another lock count video pretty soon because since my last update, I've combined my locks, a few locks, so I don't know how much I'm sorry guys, I have bunnies and they are making so much noise while I'm recording, y'all. Like, Monday qui est-ce qui paye bien la caissa? C'est ça ma Monday. I still wash my hair once a month, so with conditioner and shampoo. Yes, I use conditioner. I feel like the color has made me use conditioner. I'm not saying my hair is dry, but listen, my hair sometimes be feeling like by the hair. But the color has completely changed. It's much lighter. My ends are literally going away. I'm excited for it, but I don't know for sure if I'm going to keep my ends. I don't know if I just want to go ahead and let them grow out, and dye the rest of my hair. Y'all, do y'all see this? I'm in awe. I'm looking at what y'all looking at. Somebody come and look at this. Let me go back to the video. I do use leave-in conditioner. Yes, I do. I will make a video on that another day. I know I keep procrastinating about the leave-in conditioner. I just wanted to make sure everything is right on my end before I even announce the leave-in conditioner that I use, because I am using a different type of leave-in conditioner. So please don't come for me. Okay, baby. Thank you. Okay, so within these 2 years that I've been, and with any update that I have, if you don't know, and if you're new to my channel, baby, I don't do styles to my hair because I'm tender-headed. Okay? You look in the dictionary, you see this fish. Tender-headed. So I don't really do styles on my hair very often or frequent, and at times I really don't have the time. To be honest, I really don't have the time. But y'all see this? This bristle is coming up nice. I had this braided in my hair for like 2 days, I believe, 2 or 3 days, and I just recently just took it out. Listen, I'm excited to see this finished result. I don't know if I need to trim my ends. I don't think so. But I will be coming out with a styling video soon, okay? Okay? For those with thick hair like mine that can't figure out what kind of style to go with our hair. Somebody come and look at this. I missed one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a styling video and see how that comes out. And once that comes out, you will see it. Why? Because your bell notification is on. Yeah, you did that? You did? Oh, okay. Just making sure. Now, the major question that everybody might be asking themselves, like, yo, B, what's up? You finna color your hair again? Like, sis, we know that you don't like your grays, so what's going on? You finna color them? To be honest, I do want to color my hair, and then I don't. I don't even know. Like, I might do a shadow root where the grays are. Somebody come and look at this. Y'all see it? Oh, okay. So I don't necessarily know if I really want to dye my hair again. I'm not sure. I hope that answers your question. Ooh, tatlagate, mezami. Let me go ahead and finish this and give you guys a 360. Oh, I missed another one. Somebody come and look at this. Much for watching this video, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Lets me know that you really like content like this. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification so that you can get alerts whenever I post a video. All right, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.